Very good morning, children. Today we'll learn what do you mean by complement of a set. To understand complement, there is a set called as universal set. Universal set means a set which has all the elements. A set which contains all the elements. If I talk about numbers, I can say complex numbers is the universal set because it has all types of numbers. So now here I will define a set by U, which I will call it as universal set having numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, I am myself declaring that it is universal set of my given sets. So U is from 1 to 10. There is a set A defined having elements 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Okay. There is a set B, elements having 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Okay. Now, when I talk about complement, I can find complement of the individual sets. So, A का complement आएगा A dash, or I can write AC, A complement, either A dash or AC. Now, A dash means I'll copy all the elements from U. I'll copy all the elements from U which are not there in A. A dash मतलब A के सारे elements छोड़ने हैं and I have to copy elements from U. In short, that is nothing but U minus A. A dash is nothing but U minus A. U minus A किया, what will I get? 1 is not present here, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 nahi hai, 7 is there, 8 is not there, 10 is not there. So A dash becomes 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, always nothing will be common between A and A dash because they are complements of each other. Correct? Let us find B dash now. B dash or B complement I can say. क्या आएगा? U minus B. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4 nahi hai, 4, 5 is there, 6, 7, 8. So you can say again there is nothing common between them. So now my question is, once we understand what is complement, what can I say about A union A dash and what can I say about A intersection A dash? So if I see A and A dash, nothing is common between them. Nothing is common. So intersection क्या आएगा? Null set. क्या आएगा intersection? Null set. Then A union A dash. If I combine these two sets by union property, I will get the answer as U. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इन दोनों combine किया, I always get the answer as U. ठीक है? Now with the help of examples and exercise, we'll learn more and more about complement of a set. Okay? Then children, exercise 1.5. Now after this exercise, we'll switch on to the textbook of State Board. Okay? Yeah. So 1.5, first one, they have given U as 1, 2, 3 up to 9. They have given A as 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 4, 6, 8, C 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? You have to find A dash, B dash. हमें find करना है A dash, B dash, A union C dash, then B minus C का dash, then A dash का भी dash. Okay, we'll do this so you'll understand nicely. A dash क्या आएगा? Everything except 1, 2, 4. So I can easily get A dash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B dash भी easy है. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll leave and write everything from U. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. To find A union C dash, लेट अस फर्स्ट फाइंड A यूनियन C. क्या फाइंड करेंगे? A यूनियन C. आई होप यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड A यूनियन C. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अगर A यूनियन C 1 to 6 है तो इस सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट, सो व्हाट इज नॉट देयर? 7 नहीं है, 8 नहीं है, 9 नहीं है. सो A यूनियन C डैश क्या आएगा? 7 8 9. अंडरस्टूड? देन अगेन नाउ फर्स्ट आई विल फाइंड B minus C. B minus C. Minus means all elements of B which are not in C. 2 is not there. 4 है, 6 है, क्या नहीं है? 8. So 2,8. अब इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट B minus C का कॉम्प्लीमेंट, everything from U except 2 and 8. That is 1 3 4 5 6 7 9. Understood? A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट, उसका भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. You will find this. I am writing the answer directly. That is A. Complement का complement, again you get the same set. Complement का complement, you get the same set. Number 2 you will try. Let's try question number 3. Question number 3. Few sums I will solve. Remaining you will try. Taking the set of natural numbers as universal set. So my U is given as set of natural numbers. We know there are infinite natural numbers. Write down the complements of the following set. First one, X is an even natural number. They are saying that A is a set such that X is an even natural number. तो complement क्या आएगा? Even natural number मतलब क्या? 2 4 6 8 चला गया. So what is left? Odd numbers. So I will say X is a set of odd, I'll name it as A dash, natural number. अगर normal set even है तो opposite set क्या आएगा? Odd. Correct? Second, you can do X is an odd natural number. तो आंसर आएगा X is a set of even natural number. ठीक है? Now third one, I'll name it as set C dash. Set C is given as X is a positive multiple of 3. X is a positive multiple of 3. So what you will write? X is not a positive multiple of 3. Can I say that? अगर set में multiples of 3 है, so I will talk about the elements which are not multiple of 3. Either write this, ऐसा confuse होता है तो write listing method. 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 and so on. This also you can write. Both the ways are correct, but since it is given in set builder form, prefer writing in set builder form. ठीक है? Fourth है X is a prime number. X is a prime number. I'll write the set first. उन्होंने बोला है X such that X is a prime number. इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिखना है. वेरी गुड सम. तो D dash, अगर आपने लिखा X is not a prime number तो you will get a wrong answer. क्योंकि when I talk about natural numbers, X प्राइम नंबर की बात कर रहा है तो 2 3 5 आएगा. तो नॉट प्राइम में 1 भी आना चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? 1 भी आना चाहिए. बट इफ आई राइट X is not prime तो 1 आएगा ही नहीं इसमें, कि 1 is neither prime nor composite. So I'll write like this. X is not prime और X is equal to 1, क्योंकि 1 भी इंक्लूड करना है मुझे. So X is not prime और X is equal to 1. ठीक है? So remaining few sums I am giving you to solve. You will try. Okay? Yeah. Now the very famous law we will learn with the help of proof, that is De Morgan's law. Now there are two De Morgan's law. I'll explain both of them. One I will prove, one you will prove. 99% sure that this sum can come in your exam. May it be state board, may it be CBSE board. So it is said that A union B का complement or complement of A union B is nothing but A complement intersection B complement. Union बन जाता है intersection and बाकी दोनों को complement आएगा. We'll verify this law right now. Let us learn second law. A intersection B का complement is A complement union B complement. Intersection will become union और दोनों को complement आ जाएगा. ठीक है? A very useful law. So I'll explain the first one with the help of taking any random example. ठीक है? So again I'll take U 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है? I'll take A 2 3 4 5. I'll take B 1 3 4 7. Sorry, 1 3 4 is enough. I can take anything randomly. I'll start with LHS. LHS क्या है? A union B का complement है ना? So first I will find A union B is how much? A union B कितना आएगा? 1 2 3 4 5. A union B आ गया 1 2 3 4 5. What I want? A union B का complement. So A union B का complement क्या आएगा? Everything except A union B from U. 1 to 5 है. क्या missing है? 6. Correct? This is my LHS. I'll name it as equation number 1. RHS में what I want? A complement, B complement. So let us first find what is A complement. क्या है A complement? U 1 से 6 है. A में 1 and 6 are missing. So A complement 1, 6. B complement 2, 5, 6. B complement 2, 5, 6. I want intersection of A and B complement. So A complement and B complement. What is intersection? What is common? 6. Equation number 2. So can you see? Both are coming same. Say I have taken a random example. You can take anything. It has to come same. Okay? That is A union B the whole dash is nothing but A dash intersection B dash. First law मैंने prove किया है. Take the same example if you want. You prove the second law on your own. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the live lecture. Understood? Now whatever I have done today, we have done by writing work. Correct? हम theoretically everything we are writing. In the next lecture, I'll be teaching you how to convert everything into diagram. That is called as Venn diagram. What do you call it as? Venn diagram. Because it was invented by John Venn. ठीक है? Now why Venn diagram? Because all countries' languages are different. So to communicate between them, the best way will be graphical representation. Because the symbols, the graphics never change. So with next class, we'll learn Venn diagram, and with Venn diagram again we'll prove these laws, okay, and then we'll solve the application of sets where we are using set theory, that you will understand. Okay, thank you.